Hello everyone, my name is Richard Fontanellis. I am a senior in Lodi High School and the captain of the Lodi baseball team. I want to remind you guys that it's very cool to buckle up your seatbelt.
Hi, I'm Chris Caban from Lodi High School, captain of the wrestling team, and I don't go anywhere without buckling my seatbelt.
Hi, Mark Maggio, head football coach here at Lodi High School. I'm here to remind you that whether if you're driving to school or riding in the back seat, that it's cool to buckle up on the way to school.
We are here to remind